Hi everyone, welcome to Media. Nkiru here. Another beautiful day, another special recipe. Scotch eggs. Let's cook. As usual, I'll list the full ingredients in the description box. We need hard-boiled eggs. Sausage. You may use ground beef. Knorr powder. Salt. Dry pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and freshly ground nutmeg. We also need parsley, raw eggs, all-purpose flour, and breadcrumbs. Thinly chop the parsley and add to the sausage. Go ahead and add black pepper, Knorr powder, dry pepper, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. I'm using kosher salt. Mix everything to combine very well. Now use the fork and beat the eggs. Flavor the flour with a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of nutmeg, and mix up. Go ahead and flavor the breadcrumbs with a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Now cover each egg with sausage mixture, ensuring to seal it very well. Otherwise, it will split when you're frying it. Roll it in the flour. Then in the eggs. And finally, in the breadcrumbs. You can rub some flour on your palms if they get sticky. Now go ahead and mold all the eggs until you finish the process. If you're watching up till now and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And if you like the video, share with your friends and family. I appreciate your support. After shaping up all the eggs, go ahead and fry them in hot oil until they become deep golden brown. I want you to observe that I lined this container with paper towel. This is to drain excess oil. After cooling them for a few minutes, go ahead and enjoy the deliciousness. You may use them for breakfast or as snacks. If you try this recipe, let me know how yours worked out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I love you all.